Should I begin digital marketing from the very start once more? What specific actions would I take to make the process better and different? The student has been developing a digital marketing business for a little more than 5 years. He was a college student at the time, just beginning to establish his online identity for a planned digital marketing business, and now has a very successful result. So please join me till the end, because in this video, I will tell you not just how a college student excels in digital marketing, but how such a student becomes a millionaire at such a young age. But wait, before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. In the digital age, opportunities abound for students to not only excel in their academic pursuits but also to carve a path toward financial success. One avenue that has gained immense popularity is digital marketing. This video explores the strategies and steps a student can take to excel in digital marketing and potentially become a millionaire at a young age. Understanding the digital landscape. Before diving into the intricacies of digital marketing, it's essential for students to have a comprehensive understanding of the digital landscape. Familiarity with social media platforms, search engines, and emerging technologies sets the foundation for a successful journey. Education and skill development. Enrolling in digital marketing courses or obtaining relevant certifications is crucial. Platforms like Google Digital Garage and HubSpot Academy offer free and paid courses covering various aspects of digital marketing, including social media marketing, content marketing, and much more. Building a personal brand. Successful digital marketers often have a strong personal brand. Students should create and curate content that showcases their expertise, passion, and unique perspective. Establishing a strong online presence on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and personal blogs can help build credibility and attract potential clients or employers. Networking and mentorship. Networking is a powerful tool for career advancement. Students should attend industry events, webinars, and join relevant social media groups to connect with professionals in the field. Seeking mentorship from established digital marketers can provide valuable insights and guidance. Hands-on experience. Theory alone won't lead to success. Students should seek internships, freelance opportunities, or personal projects to gain hands-on experience. Practical knowledge is essential for mastering the nuances of digital marketing and building a robust skill set. Specialization and niche expertise. Digital marketing encompasses various domains. Students can increase their value by specializing in a particular niche. Whether it's influencer marketing, e-commerce strategies, or analytics, becoming an expert in a specific area can open doors to lucrative opportunities. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Embracing creativity and innovation. Digital marketing thrives on creativity and innovation. Students should continuously experiment with new ideas, stay updated on industry trends, and think outside the box. Developing a keen sense of what captures audience attention can lead to groundbreaking campaigns. Utilizing analytical tools. Data is a powerful asset in digital marketing. Students should become proficient in using analytical tools such as Google Analytics and Facebook Insight. Analyzing data helps optimize campaigns, target the right audience, and maximize return on investment. Entrepreneurial mindset. Many successful digital marketers start their ventures. Students with an entrepreneurial mindset can explore opportunities to launch their own digital marketing agencies, e-commerce stores, or innovative platforms. Taking calculated risks and learning from failures is an integral part of entrepreneurial success. Scaling and investing wisely. As a student progresses in their digital marketing career, scaling efforts and wisely investing earnings become crucial. Diversifying income streams, exploring passive income opportunities, and making informed financial decisions contribute to long-term financial success. And there you have it, your roadmap to millionaire success in digital marketing. Becoming a millionaire through digital marketing as a student requires a combination of education, practical experience, networking, and an entrepreneurial spirit. Mastering the digital landscape, building a strong personal brand, and staying adaptable can set students on the path to remarkable success and potentially achieve millionaire status at a young age. If you're up for the challenge, the digital world is waiting for you to make your mark. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on your journey to financial success. If you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, we would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the digital marketing.